Hello, hello, hello. Hey, man, I'm sitting here doing some research. I've had a full day today, but I'm here doing some research about the stock market, and I'm trying to get an understanding, and I hope you get an understanding of something we need to see in this time. Now, I know a lot of people, we know everything is going bad, and a lot of people, 401ks went way down and whatnot. A lot of people pull money out their 401ks. This is true because they're worried about, going to the store and whatnot and paying their bills and whatnot. But in the news, and I'll post a link in the comments. In fact, yeah, we got the virus going on. They opening up the country. I hope you're staying safe. But in fact, the market has recovered all of its losses. So hopefully you didn't pull out and your money's still growing. Or hopefully you got in on some great deals earlier. But hopefully you didn't pull out, because if you pulled out, if you put that money back in, you're going back at a high rate and you've lost money. So, man, it's just important that we get financial literacy, get around the community of people that are studying financial issues that affect our lives, and then making a plan and sticking to that plan, whether it's dollar cost averaging or whatever concept that fits you. But the bottom line, you have to remember about these stocks. And this is why I'm an investor, not a day trader or something like that. I'm an investor. That means I'm investing money so that the money can grow over time. A lot of people pulling profits, and that's great, and it's great that they can do that. But me, I'm an investor, so I hold mine for the long term. And again, man, get around some people that can show you some things about investing, because that needs to be a part of your strategy. And the main part is to get some knowledge so that you can understand what they're talking about, and follow the news. There's a lot of news to follow, but you're gonna get what you focus on. So let's focus on this generational wealth. Let's focus on that and work on that. So hey, man, I'm gonna provide a link to the story in the comments about how the stock market is thriving, but jobs are not. So it's an interesting article, but it just goes to tell me that, like the article will tell you, the market is forward thinking. It has been here. It ain't going nowhere. So you might as well get your foot wet with a couple of wins. That way you'll have a little bit more confidence in it instead of getting in there with losses. All right. So have a great day. I'm at home. I've had a full day. And again, man, listen, it's information out here for you to study. You can put your money in these different platforms and grow your money. Don't even have to talk to nobody. These markets don't care what you look like. These markets only care that you got some money in your account. All right. So, hey, let's get growing. Have a great day. Peace.